Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharky's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and you can see that we have a great big mixed planter here. It's fall time and the temperatures are really starting to plummet, and some of the main areas that we had driving that color were dahlias. And with the cold weather, the dahlias have really fizzled out, so they left some great big holes in this planter. But we want to refurbish this and breathe some new life into it, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to use some hardy garden mums and some pumpkins to give some fresh life to this great big planter, because it's worth it and we want to be able to get as much out of it as we can. First, start off with pulling out these dahlias. And remember, dahlias you can save and use them for next year. So I'm just going to go through and dig up these dahlias that are kind of leaving that great big hole, and you can see they're pretty well spent. So that cold weather got to them, and these are tubers here. This is what you want to save. So we would knock all that soil off and save these tubers, and you can put them down in your basement somewhere that's cool and dry. And I'll go through and grab this dahlia out of here, and again knock that soil off. And these little things here, they look like little potatoes, save those. Those are the tubers. That's what we can replant in the spring. So getting this area, now you can see there's a great big hole here. And that's where we're gonna start. So I've made some room here for my mums and my pumpkins, and that's what we're gonna go ahead and put in. So I'm gonna start with this kind of bronzish colored mum. Where we're planting it is gonna be level with the soil of the rest of the planter. Work it in there, and then I'm gonna bring that soil back in. I'm gonna put a yellow one back here where I took out that other dahlia. So we still have a hole here, and that's where we're going to go ahead and put the pumpkin, because it is fall time and this will look perfectly in here. And it just helps breathe some new fresh life into this. And then we're going to just add one more pumpkin in here, right on the other side of this mum. And I still have a hole back here. I'm going to go through and put in one more mum on this side. So that really helps finish this off and breathes in some new life into this planter, where we probably would have just scrapped it, because with the dahlias going out, it really gave some great big holes here and the main color. But now we have this beautiful planter that's great for the fall time. So we have this nice tall rhubarb grass, the lantana, which the deer don't like, and this plectranthus has just filled out beautifully and spilled over, and the mosquitoes don't like this. So there's a lot of really useful plants here that we wanted to use, and they're still looking great because they're really hardy and just filling in with the pumpkins and the mums. So now we're going to go through and we're going to water the mums. Mums take a lot of water, so you do have to be aware of that. They drink a lot. Be sure to go through, stick your finger or a moisture meter into that soil. The mums will drink a lot of water. Check them daily. Hey, if you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds of how-to videos there. And then you can head on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website. We have our tips and our tricks and blog articles, and of course our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That's all over at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.